Hi everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to log in to RuneScape game using your Android device. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Launch open RuneScape application right from your mobile device, and this will be the main interface for the game. To log into your account, you can either log in using your Google account, Apple account, or with Facebook, and you can also enter and access your account using your email or username option. If you've chosen the email and username option while signing up, you'll need to pick the same option here as well. Tap on email/username and it'll take you to jagex.com website. You'll need to enter your email address in the text box. If you don't have an account yet, tap on create an account button at the top. After entering your email, you can tap the continue button to move forward. Now, it'll ask you for your password. Type in your correct password that you created while signing up for the account. If you don't remember your password, tap on the forgot password link beneath the login button and reset your password to something else. After typing in your correct password, tap on the login button and you'll be able to sign in or log into your RuneScape game right from your Android device. That is how it can be done. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll be back soon with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.